In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove likes from Facebook. Maybe you came across likes on your Facebook post and you want to remove it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile picture and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to tap on this three dot beside C dashboard. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to tap on activity lock. Then on this interface, scroll down a bit and tap on your activity across Facebook. Proceed to scroll down and then tap on manage comment and reaction. This will land you on an interface like this. On the top left corner, continue to tap on filters. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Make sure to tap on categories and then continue to tap on likes and reactions. In order for us to remove any likes, we have the option to either remove it individually by tapping this three dot beside the like and then continue to tap on unlike, or alternatively you can also navigate to the top left corner and tap on all. Then on the bottom you see remove. Continue to tap on remove. That's it. You have successfully removed likes on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.